Bought it last summer. Thought I scored the deal of the year. But you know what I didn't do? I didn't run a proper VIN lookup on it first. Turns out, that pristine Camaro had been in a literal barn fire back in '93. No mention of that anywhere, until it was too late. Here's the deal. VIN checks are easy if you're buying a newer car. You've got Carfax, AutoCheck, all that stuff. But for classics, totally different ballgame. Most sites don't even recognize a 13-digit VIN from the '60s. You enter it, and you get nothing. That's why Classic Decoder exists. It's the one site that actually understands vintage VINs and gives you a full-on vehicle history report based on it. With just a VIN, just that little stamped code you can get. Build specs from when it left the factory, yes, even trim codes and paint, any history of theft, auction sales, or salvage titles, red flags the seller conveniently left out. And best of all, the lookup is free. You only pay if you want the full report, and right now, there's 20% off if you use this code. Look, I get it. Classic car buying is emotional. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a story. But that story better be real. Because if it turns out the numbers-matching survivor was actually a chopped-up Frankenstein from 2 junkyard cars, that's gonna hurt. And if you're thinking, the seller didn't give me the VIN, run, walk away, whatever. Real sellers have nothing to hide. And if a VIN isn't easy to find, check the firewall, engine block, driver door. Somewhere, it's there. So here's what you should do. Go to ClassicDecoder.com, it's linked in our bio, pop in that VIN and check it for free. If the car checks out, great, grab the full vehicle history report with 20% off using this code. And if it doesn't check out, you just saved yourself from a way more expensive mistake. Honestly, it's the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy for a classic. Tell me, have you ever bought a classic only to find out after it had a not-so-sweet history? Or maybe you spotted something weird during the buying process. Drop your story in the comments. Someone else might learn from it. Or hey, tag a friend who's out there hunting for their next vintage ride.